So how about I was just sitting right here, minding my little business, and all of a sudden, click! The power came on! Boom, baby! Boom, boom, boom! I'm so excited. It feels so wonderful. Oh! I got so excited the affliction kicked in. Wow! my AC is cranky because it was 80 degrees in here, but I was okay because I would have slept like a baby anyway. Love ya. See ya. Boom, baby, boom.